Okay, shut the battery door off. And although the wiring is toasty all along the handlebars, pretty good in the box. Doesn't look like it got too much heat. Smells a little smoky. I gotta get under there, but I think the controller wires are probably okay. And this could just be more of an extensive cleanup job. There's the battery down there. I need to get a meter so I can test it. Alrighty. Okay, the moment of truth. Did the lithium batteries survive? Oh, come back here. There we go, on that. Oh, we gotta put it on DC. That usually helps. 72.9 volts. Pretty good.
His wife invades the video.
Again.